Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 5th, 2021. Can we now see Bitcoin pump after the Fed announcement yesterday? Are we ready to see the market actually finally go up? Welcome to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do the price prediction. I'm going to answer that question today basically by just looking at the price chart. Yeah, I don't come in and try to do anything complicated, because the market is not meant to be that way. It's meant to be easy so that you can come in and actually make money. So welcome to my channel. To those who are new, you guys have clicked on a very good video, because now you will begin to see that there is actually a way for you to predict prices so that we can be in position and actually profit from the price move. If you guys want to continue to learn more, the doors are open. Hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on my content. So check this out. I did a video in Bitcoin, right? And it was on April the 11th. I was playing the weakness into the market in Bitcoin right here. You guys can see that price did decline. It did decrease in value for Bitcoin. But check this out. Is it just a coincidence that right after the Fed comes and raises interest rates, that Bitcoin's price bounces off of this trend? Isn't that amazing? We got some things to talk about in this video then for Bitcoin, because every time the price in Bitcoin came and bounced off of this line, the market moved up. This is a trend that started all the way back in like September 2020. So we're almost 2 years into the price in Bitcoin staying above this line. Now, majority of the price action has been hovering around that trend. Look at that. All of these trading days, the market in Bitcoin has been trading around the trend, which means that that trend is getting weaker, and that the long-term perspective of us still seeing Bitcoin go down is increasing. Yes, it's increasing. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. As a point in time right now, okay, seeing how the market in Bitcoin bounced off that ascending line, we can still say that buyers are interested in Bitcoin at that price, meaning that they're buying this cryptocurrency there. As long as price in Bitcoin trades above this ascending line, we have nothing to worry about. Price will always go up into perpetuity, forever, infinity. That is why we really need to be paying attention to the market in Bitcoin today, because we need to try to determine what is the chances of us actually seeing the price in Bitcoin break that ascending line to the downside. What are the chances? Is it 30%? Is it 50%? Is it 75%? Is it 80, 90% chance that the market will break that trend? We need to try to figure that out, because if so, we still want to be in position. Okay, so let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction right here. If you guys are able to get the profitability out the market while Bitcoin bounce off of this ascending line, kudos, 9.5% right there, profitability. If you couldn't do it then and you were to get out now, hey, we'll take 5% too. Nothing wrong with taking profitability out the market. That is the purpose of us coming into the cryptocurrency space, is to make money. So whether it's 9.5% or 5%, you won. And that's what we're all about, winning. So now, first things first, okay? Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin on a long-term basis, the monthly time frame first, okay? Because I know so many people are ecstatic. The market is going up. We're approaching $40,000 per Bitcoin. I get it. Everyone simply forgets as to what happened in the long term. I want you all to see this from a monthly perspective, because it gives us a lot of information. It gives us a lot of clues as to where the issues are at. Okay, so look at this. We're going to start right here, the month of January. Since the month of January to the month of May, the market in Bitcoin could not see price trade above $48,000. That's a massive problem for us expecting price to go up. 4 consecutive months and Bitcoin could not trade above $48,000. That's a massive stronghold that the sellers are controlling. The sellers control the price there. Okay, cool. You guys can see also during those same 4 months that buyers are trying to lift price in Bitcoin. So you guys can kind of see like a squeeze play going on between both sides, the buyers and the sellers. Buyers trying to lift price higher, sellers are not letting it happen around $48,000. Hence, this is where we get one leg up amongst the competition. How did we end last month in the month of April? Exactly, the price closed on the low end. The buyers did not want to see last month price action occur, but it did. There was a lot more selling going on into the market in Bitcoin than there were buyers last month. Why? How do I know? Because the price closed below it. Now, the only way that would make us switch sides to say that sellers are winning is for us to go through the month of May and we see the market trade all the way back up to $48,000. We need to see that to really confirm buyers are here. Buyers are being relentless. They're not allowing the sellers to break down price. I got to see the market price bar for the month of May come all the way back up to 48,000. We got to see that. If I don't see that, then the long-term purview of Bitcoin's price is still weak. It is still weak. This is Bitcoin on the 5 weeks. This still confirms that the market price in Bitcoin is still weak, that there was more selling going on the last 5 weeks. This is Bitcoin on the 3-weekly chart. Again, the last completed 3-weekly price bar, which is right here, confirms that Bitcoin's price is still weak. And not only that, I want to show you this too on this 3-weekly chart. You guys can see how right here, it's also an issue for the buyers. Not only is $48,000 a problem, $42,500 is also an issue for the buyers. They need to take it out. If they cannot take out $42,500, then I definitely know that the price is going to break this ascending line. I already know it. So my main focus is seeing the buyers, first of all, take out $42,500. If they do, then I'm looking at $48,000. But I'm showing you all who's winning in the market. And basically, it is the sellers. Sellers are winning. Okay. Now, can Bitcoin price continue to go up? Of course it can. That's why I identified 42,500, might even be 45,000 to 48,000. So even if I do see price in Bitcoin initially go up, I'm not going to be tricked. I'm not going to be fooled. I'm not going to think that I got my price prediction wrong, because I can actually see that happening. So let's go ahead and do this, because I think from out the gate, can we see price in Bitcoin go up? Yeah, we can. But I still suspect that the overall trend from the long-term perspective, the monthly perspective, that price in Bitcoin is weak. Okay. So looking at this from a 2-day perspective, yes, we can see the price go up. Now, if you know how to scalp this market in Bitcoin, cool. Go ahead and play this to the long side initially, right? You might get what, 6%, 42,500, 8%. That's cool. Okay. So it all depends on your time horizon on this particular play in Bitcoin. Because I would say from 5 days, 3 days, 2 days to a daily time frame, we can see price in Bitcoin go up, right? We can see that. But from a monthly perspective, 5-weekly perspective, the price definitely is weak. The market is still weak from that time frame. So how do you want to play this? We'll play this to the upside, play it to the downside. This is why the market is so efficient, because you have so many ways of how you can play your expectations in the price. Okay. Now, since I don't come through and do a price prediction every time daily for Bitcoin, I'm going to have to play this on a long-term perspective. Okay, so let me hit this back over to the daily, and I'm looking for the price in the long term in Bitcoin to go down. Now, I already told you that, 42,000, no higher than $44,000 is where buyers need to take out to the upside. If I don't ever see that, I understand that the price in Bitcoin is still massively weak. Okay, so can we see price go up to $44,000? Yeah, we can. I get it. I get it. Now, ultimately $48,000 though. Okay, so let me bring that back. I want to hold that area. I want us to see that. Okay. Now, Bitcoin breaks the ascending line, right? Okay, cool. I get it. But will it be a massive breakdown? I don't really see that right now. So let me bring this up a little bit higher. My first price target would be right around here. Okay, like 37,000. Hold on, let me bring it down lower. It would be around $36,100, $36,050, somewhere around there. It's my first price target. My second one is going to be around 34,650. Okay, so yes, I am anticipating price to dip in Bitcoin, break the trend. Now, the moment we break the trend on weakness, we're going to go a lot lower, probably down to $32,000. Okay. I'm not going to put that on the chart yet, but I'm just giving you all a heads up. Price breaks Bitcoin on this ascending line to the downside on weakness. Be prepared for it to go a lot lower in price. All right. So let me go ahead and put this in closer. So yes, initially price in Bitcoin is anticipated to go up. I already get it, right? I get it. But the long term, the overall move, I'm still looking for the price in Bitcoin to come down a little bit. Okay, so that's my forecast. That's my prediction. That's what I'm looking forward to in Bitcoin. Now it's your turn. I want you all to go ahead and drop me a quick comment and let me know, where do you think Bitcoin's price is headed as we trade throughout the month of May going into June. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.